Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys my everyday summer makeup, so I hope you guys like it and let's just get started. So I did prime my face already and I did use the Covergirl TrueBlend Base Business Skin Primer, and I've been loving this primer because I noticed it keeps my foundation in place. So I do highly recommend this primer. And for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible in the color 104. You guys know I live for this foundation. And for concealer, I'll be using a very lightweight concealer, but it's full coverage, and it's the Maybelline concealer in the shade number 10. And I'm just applying this under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose and on my chin. And then I'm going to be blending that out with my beauty sponge. By the way, this beauty sponge is by Acebeaute, and I do have a discount code and I'll have it linked down below. So to bake, I'll be using my Peach Perfect translucent powder by ToFaced, and I'm just setting everything. To bronze my face, I'll be using my Physians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just using this T20. I think it's a T20. I always forget. Yeah, it's a T20 brush by the Makeup Shack. And for blush, I'll be using this one by Acebeaute. I'm not sure what it's called, but everything will be listed down below like always. So after I finish applying highlight, I'll be moving on to the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm doing something very simple, nothing really out there, like not that dramatic. So I'm keeping it natural, and I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just using Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange and mixing both colors together and applying it on my crease. So for the eyelid color, I'll be using Primavera, and I'm just applying this on my whole entire eyelid, and then I'm going to be blending that out once everything is done. It's pretty simple and it's pretty easy to do, so that's why I'm always doing this look when I just go out or I'm in a rush. So when I don't do much on the eyes, I love going in with dramatic eyelashes because I just love the way they make my eyes look. They make them look bigger, so that's always a yes for me. But these eyelashes are by Acebeaute, and they're in the style Lolo PM. So moving on to the next step, I'll be highlighting my inner corners with this eyeshadow called Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm also going back to apply Primavera on my whole entire eyelid. I'm just applying a little bit more, and then I'm just going to blend that out again. So for the lower lash line, I'll be applying Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange again. And then I'm also applying a little bit of Cypress Umber. I'm not applying a lot because this color could get very dark. It could get dark easily, so be careful when applying this eyeshadow. So I'm quickly removing the moisturizer I had on my lips, and now I'm ready for lipstick. So the lipstick I'll be using today is by Karity, and it's called Sugary Sweet. And I'm also going to set my eyebrows, but once that's done, I'll be going in with my Covergirl Look Lockup setting spray, and I'm just going to be setting my whole entire face. And once that's done, this look is all complete. I really hope you guys loved it, and if you did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up like always, and I'll see you guys on my next video.